Tahuata is the smallest of the inhabited Marquesas Islands, in French Polynesia, an overseas territory of France in the Pacific Ocean. It is located 4 kilometers to the south of the western end of Hiva Oa, across the Canal du Bordelais, called Haava in Marquesan. Administratively, Tahuata forms the commune of Tahuata, part of the administrative subdivision of the Marquesas Islands. This commune consists solely of the island of Tahuata itself. The administrative center of the commune is the settlement of Tahu on the western side of the island. Geography: Tahuata is approx. 69 square kilometers. The highest point on the island is Mount Amatia, rising to an elevation of 1,050 meters. Demographics: the 2012 census population was 703. History: archaeological evidence indicates that Tahuata was inhabited by Polynesians as early as 200 CE. In later pre-European times, the tribes of Tahuata were allied with the tribes from the Nuku province of Hiva Oa, and the island was considered a dependency of that province. The first recorded sighting by Europeans was by the Spanish expedition of Alvaro de Mandana on the 22nd of July 1595. They charted the island as Santa Cristina. They landed at Tahu that they named Madre de Dios. According to the Spanish accounts, Tahuata had fowls, fish, sugar cane, plantains, nuts and fruits. The existent town was built on 2 sides of a rectangular space, the houses being of timber and intertwined canes. A building which the Spaniards supposed to be a religious one stood outside the town, in a space enclosed by palisades, and containing some ill-carved images before which were offerings and provisions. The people had large and well-constructed sailing canoes. Their tools were made of shells and fish bones. They used slings, stones, and lances as weapons. Tahuata was visited by Captain James Cook in 1774 and Admiral Dupertit Thouars in 1842, who signed the treaty annexing the Marquesas Islands to France. Communications: because there is insufficient level ground for even a small runway, the island is served by the airport on Hiva Oa. This serves to give the island a feeling of much greater isolation, despite its proximity to Hiva Oa.